Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'll be focusing on the rear hatch. We had the crack around this section, so I took it out last video, but for this one we're gonna go ahead and fix the crack and get it repainted, sand it down, and make it look prettier. And then on the next video we're gonna focus on the body. So let's go ahead and get to work. And what I'm going to do is try to fix the crack on this rear hatch. These bolts, they are so hard, you can't even get to it because of the way they're aligned over here. But I'm going to try to see if I can get this little sanded out and then put fiberglass fix. What I'm going to do first is just clean this up a little bit, and then use a wire brush, sand it down, use a sandpaper, and see where we are, and then see if I can first make sure it's all leveled out, and then I'll be able to apply the fiberglass fix. I do have a repair kit, so I'll try and see, before I spend $1,000 on this, I'm gonna see if I can fix it myself. That would be great. I'm gonna try the back side first, and then I'll do the opposite side. So let's see how it comes out. Let's get to work. So check this out. So I got it outside so you guys can see. I put the fiberglass fix, and it came out really strong, but I do need to sand that down. Same thing on the other side. We got it done, but now we need to sand it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back, just so I get an idea of how this thing is going to be. And then I'm gonna use a 80 grit. I put this on the grinder, so hopefully it will make it easy. I don't want to use a grinder blade. I don't want to cut through it. I'm gonna start with the 80 grit and see how it comes out. If I need to use a different blade, then I'll do that. But let's go ahead and start this and see how it comes out. I think we are good. This is very strong now, so I still gotta use a sandpaper to smooth it out. Then what I'll do is I'll put a little bondo, fiberglass bondo, just to kind of make it more smoother on both sides. It's definitely looking a lot better. So this part is almost smooth. This I need to sand it down a little bit more, but I can't reach it with that grinder, so I'm gonna use a sandpaper to do that. And same thing on the other side. This side, this is where the crack was, but it is strong. It's not moving anywhere. So we're good over here. I'm gonna do the rest inside. Alright guys, check this out. I've done 2 coats so far. I may do maybe another 2 or so, but man, this looks pretty much like brand new. Or the crack has been fixed, so now no need to spend $1,000 on this. This is done. But like I said, I may do a couple more coats just to make it look much more prettier. So we'll get to work on that, and then the final result should be very nice. So I can't put this on yet. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video. That way you guys can see the updates. The next, before I put this back on, I need to sand the body, the stainless steel, so that way this one does not come in the middle. So let's go ahead and get this uploaded here, and then we'll continue with the work on the body. Thanks for watching.